everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about understanding on-premises virtual data rooms. Let's go. VDRs are secure online repositories that allow users to share documents and other data with third parties. VDRs are widely used in a variety of industries, including mergers and acquisitions, private equity, real estate, and healthcare, to facilitate due diligence and other sensitive data sharing activities. On premises, VDRs are installed on premises, which means that they are hosted on the company's own servers. This gives the company more control over the security and compliance of the VDR. However, on-premises VDR can be more expensive and difficult to manage than cloud-based VDRs. Benefits of on-premises VDR. Security. On-premises VDR can offer a higher level of security than cloud-based VDRs as the data is stored on the company's own server. This is important for businesses that handle highly sensitive data. Compliance. On-premises VDR can help businesses to comply with industry regulations and data protection laws as the company has more control over the security and compliance of the VDR. Control. On-premises VDR give the company more control over the VDR, including the features that are available and the permissions that are granted to users. Drawbacks of on-premises VDRs. Cost. On-premises VDRs can be more expensive than cloud-based VDRs, as the company needs to purchase and maintain its own server. Complexity. On-premises VDR can be more complex to manage than cloud-based VDRs, as the company needs to have in-house IT expertise to manage the VDR. Accessibility. On-premises VDRs are not accessible as cloud-based VDRs, as users need to be on the company's network to access the VDR. Who should use an on-premises VDR? On-premises VDR are a good option for a business that handle highly sensitive data and need a high level of security, need to comply with strict industry regulations or data protection laws, need more control over the VDR, including the features that are available and the permissions that are granted to users. Conclusion. On-premises VDR can offer a number of benefits including security, compliance, and control. However, they are also be more expensive and complex to manage than cloud-based VDRs. When deciding whether to use an on-premises or cloud-based VDRs, businesses should consider their specific needs and requirements. If you have any questions about this topic, please comment below. We're here to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. Bye bye.